In this video, we'll write the Lewis structure for ClI3, that's chlorine triiodide. The first challenge really is you have Cl here, and then this is your iodine, so don't get confused with these two symbols. We have 7 valence electrons for chlorine, plus 7 for the iodine. Both are in group 17, or sometimes called 7A, so they have 7 valence electrons. We have 3 of the iodine, so 7 plus 21, 28 total valence electrons for ClI3. Although chlorine is more electronegative than the iodine, I'm going to put it in the center here since I have 1 chlorine and 3 iodines. So I'll put the chlorine there, and then I'll put the iodines around it. Next, I'm going to place a pair of electrons between elements to form chemical bonds. Having done that, I'm going to complete the octets on these iodines here. At this point, I've used 24 valence electrons. I have 28. Let's complete the octet on the chlorine. And we've still only used 26 valence electrons. We have 28. But chlorine can have an expanded octet, so we can just put another 2 valence electrons down here on the chlorine. And now we've used all 28 valence electrons. If we calculate the formal charges, we'll find that the formal charges on each one of these elements is 0. And that's a very favorable situation. That tells us that this probably is the best Lewis structure for chlorine triiodide, ClI3. So that's it. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.